Changing the phone number on your Revolut account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information quickly. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Setting. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon or the Account section, usually located in the upper left or right corner of the app. Step 3. Select Personal Details. In the Profile Settings menu, look for Personal Details or a similar option that allows you to manage your account information. Step 4. Update Phone Number. Find a section for your phone number. Tap on it and enter your new phone number. Make sure to select the correct country code if applicable. Step 5. Verify your new number. After entering the new phone number, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the app to confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated in your Revolut account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Revolut support for assistance.